Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Matic video update. Alright, so we are coming down here, and this was a big failure. You actually made this pattern here, popped to the upside, came down for the retest, failed the retest, and ever since on the daily time frame, look at how much you've been oversold right now. Okay, so before you invest, you want to ask yourself if you're buying at the support. Now there is a little bit of support down here, okay, and nonetheless this is a small support which in my opinion is looking to be breaking. And at the moment, you do have three black crows and these three red candles back to back. I do see Matic actually making its way down to 0.06. So let's actually talk about reversal wave at the moment. So if you're looking for reversal wave, there's a technical target coming in, and actually that is down here at 0.57. So 57 cents is what you're looking for Matic to come down to, right down at this 1.618 level at the moment. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Matic. This is where I'm looking for Matic to actually go. The bullish scenario for Matic is that if you do come up and cross that yellow line again at 91 cents, I do see that it can actually, there's a possibility for this one to go up to $1.2. And that's pretty much it for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.